Ito po yung 6th floor or rooftop ng Ocean Club. Meron po siyang infinity pool. So may resto bar dyan. Nagkaka-event dito pag hapon. Ay po. Yan, mga kanya. May-ari po nito is Korean national. So may stage siya. Ayan. May screen pa dyan for events. Ayan. Okay tayo dito. Ayan o. Sarap dito. Yan. Yan siya. Yan siya. Morning! Napakaganda dito. And here's the jacuzzi. Binubuksan na yan pag around hapon yata. Ayan. Maraming grill dito sa Ocean Club kasi alam niyo naman mga Korean, di ba? Mga samgyeopsal, mga ganun. Dito tayo sa pinakang rooftop. Alright. Alright. Yun. Yun, oh. Flex na flex. Alright, so this is Boracay for you from the Ocean Club rooftop view deck. Alright. How about that? How about that? Right? Yeah. You can watch the sunset. Beautiful, beautiful sunset of Boracay. So, dito tayo sa Station 3, ano? Right there. There. Station 2. Hanggang umabot dun sa 1. Alright. Okay. So, that's Boracay. Akit pa tayo. Mayroon pa isang isa. So, ayan. Mayroon pa isa. Let's go higher. View. So, okay. View from the top. Right. Right. Nice. Ayan. Napakaganda dito. So, the new Boracay, after nung pag-ayos nila dito before the pandemic, so na-rehab siya. Napakaganda. Linis. And, it's worth it. Worth it. Maraming tao, but it's worth it. Napakaganda ng creation ng Diyos. And so, six floors ang Ocean Club. 6th yung rooftop. Yung 5th floor suite. May elevator din sila dito. Mga elevator. So, yan may elevator. And I chose the stairs. Yan, so meron silang gym. Okay. Meron silang gym. So, ito yung gym ng Ocean Club. And so, you wanna lift weights. Kompleto dito. Ayan complete. Oops. Pwede. Alright. Pwede siya. Kompleto naman. If you wanna run cardio or bicycle. Oh yeah, may treadmill dito. Yeah, so they have treadmill and bike, stationary bike. Napupuno to pag maaga kasi ako nagising pero napupuno siya. And madalas dito yung mga foreigners. And so that was the 3rd floor. Ito ngayon yung 2nd floor. Ito yung spa. Lava Stone Spa. Pricey pero worth it. Worth it. So hindi pa siya bukas. Yan. Alright. So, ayan, pababa na tayo. And look at this. Alright. It's, good morning. Visit natin yung... Now, ito yung Ocean Mart. May mga souvenirs dyan. Ano yun? Korean products, local. And gusto ko dito yung ice cream. And then, ito po yung lobby. Right? Ito po yung lobby. Right. So, waiting area. Yan. Morning. Waiting area. That's the lobby where you check in. Alright. Cozy. Kasi malamig. Ayan. Now, so we're going. Kasi may free breakfast upon when you check in. So ito naman yung mga rooms dito sa baba. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. The pool. There you go. So, may mga ganyang rooms dito. But we chose the 4th floor. Tahimik doon. Alam niyo naman ang Boracay. These are the rooms. Suite rooms, I believe. Yeah, family rooms. Yung mga nandito. Yan. Right. And there's another grill over there. So yung restaurant. Dito tayo kukuha ng food. Morning. Right there. There's a free breakfast for you. Okay. Alright, so and that's free breakfast. All right.